Welcome to Advanblack's YouTube channel. I'm Steve, the service technician for Advanblack, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install the touring model mid-frame air deflectors. If you jump on over to Advanblack's website by the link down in the description, you can see these over there and you can see that we color match them. You can check out the colors on our website to see if we do your color. If we do your color, you just throw them in the cart, pay for them, and they'll arrive at your door color matched to your bike. One important note on the install, guys, these will fit 09 to 20 with the exception of the 2017 Milwaukee 8 up if you have the cool flow fan system. If you have the cool flow fan system in here, these will not mount. These are pretty simple to install, just 2 bolts. They install right here on the bottom of the frame. And one other side note, guys, if you already have the Advanblack stretch tank cover, you may want to go ahead and remove that and get it out of the way. So when you're installing this up in here, you're not hitting this and stuff and scratching it. So that may be a little minor inconvenience for you, but to get these installed with the tank cover, you may just want to get it out of the way first. You can also pop off your saddlebag and your side covers just to make sure that you're not hitting anything. We've installed a bunch of these here, so we're just going to go ahead and install it with everything on it today. The install hardware, of course, is going to be a little bit different from the 09 to 16 and then the 17 up. So you need to make sure that when you order, you're ordering the right one so you get the right hardware. If you notice on the right-hand side, the breather side of the bike, the lower is going to be a little bit different. It's going to have 2 holes here. It's going to have a spark plug wire holder just like the other one, and then one at the bottom. Your left side only has 1 hole. The 2 holes are going to come into play on the different year models that you do, 09 to 16 and then 17 up. When you stick it up in there, you'll see which hole you need to go into. So on the 2017 up, the only difference is the 2 top holes. You still have the bottom 2 holes where you have to put the special hex head nuts in, but at the top of the jug is too close to the frame. So you simply cannot get in there to put one of those clips in. So what Harley's done is added a nut in there for you. It's already welded into the frame. So you don't need that black special nut that slips on over the frame. It's right there. Just look in there, you'll see the threads. In the hardware kit for the 17 up, you'll get 2 bolts for those holes. You just simply add the bolt and washer through the mid-frame air deflector and then straight into the bike and torque it down. And no blue Loctite is needed for any of this, but make sure that you don't over torque it. You have a washer going over ABS plastic into the mid-frame. If you over torque it, you will bust the plastic. Up here at the very top, you're gonna see a hole, big hole. It's on both sides. This is gonna be for the 09 to 16. You're gonna have this big hole up here. The 17 up is already gonna have a hole there with the welded nut that we just spoke about. Now, before we get started, take a towel, anything that you have, cover all of these holes up down here. If you drop one of these clips down in here behind your inner primary or on the other side of your starter, you're going to have a heck of a time finding it and also getting it out. We're going to start with the top one. We're going to use that metal clip. The nut is on the inside of the frame and the hole is towards the outside. You may want to take a small flathead screwdriver once you have it on. Try to pry it out and maneuver it around where you need it to go. Kind of use the bolt to move it around. We should be good to go on that one. So now we're going to talk about the bottom nut. You'll see this one has a little bit of tape on it depending on when you're watching this video. We will be updating this, but this one has a little bit of green tape on it to hold it in there really good. So basically it has a hex on the bottom, and right down here in the bottom you've got a hex shaped hole. Just make sure you look down in there and that's the one that you need. There's only one on each side that's shaped like a hex. You're going to press this in all the way. You're going to do that on both sides and then run your nut in from here. If you get the updated version that doesn't have the tape on it, you're going to press this into the hole and then you're going to take your bolt, run it in without the deflector on there, run your bolt in, tighten it down to 60 inch-pounds, and it's going to buckle the back side of this so where this will stay in the bike. Take your bolt out, put the heat deflector on, put your bolt and your washer back on. But with this style, we're just going to press it in. I'm just going to sneak this in. Probably going to get in the way of the camera just a little bit. Get you a nut and a washer. We're going to take our bolt and washer and go ahead and tighten that one down by hand. Now the top one you can usually get to with a short extension and a number 10 and get that tightened down. Don't tighten it down so tight that you crack it. It's 25 to 30 inch-pounds. So that's pretty much it, guys. All you have to do is complete the same process on the right hand side and you're done. If you have the 2017 up, you will not use the clip style nut on top. That nut is already built into your frame. So just make sure you look in there. It's easiest if you just set it up in there and kind of look at the holes and find the right hole. It's going to line up with the hole that's on your bike, and that will be threaded. Now, with that being said, make sure that you order the right year. If you have the 09 to 16, it's going to use one style, and the 17 up is going to use the other style. As far as the deflectors themselves go, they're all the same. If you look on the inside, you will see the Advanblack logo. Right above that, you'll see an R for right side and an L for left side. So it's pretty easy, guys. If you want to get your hand on a set of these, you can check the link down below in the description. It'll take you straight over to the mid-frame air deflectors. You can look at our color options over there, and if we do your bike's color, we can paint these, have them ready to go. All you have to do is put them on the bike. If you have any questions on these or this install, hit the comment section down below. I'll try to help you the best that I can, or you can give me a call on the service tech line. It's listed at the bottom of the website on every single page. Scroll all the way down and you'll see service tech down there. That's a direct number to me. Give me a call and I'll help you the best that I can. I'm going to get out of here and get back to work. Until the next video, as always, be safe and keep your knees in the breeze.